Hi everybody! In this video, we're going to show you how to add a savings account to your Cash App. This step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Whether you're new to Cash App or just looking to set up a savings option, follow along carefully. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Make sure you're signed in with your correct account. Once you're on the main screen, look at the bottom of the app and tap the banking icon. It looks like a little bank or house symbol, and it's usually in the bottom left corner. Now you're inside the Banking tab. This is where you can see your current balance and linked accounts. Scroll down until you see the option that says Linked Banks or Linked Accounts. Tap on that. Next, tap on the button that says Link Bank. You will now be asked to choose your bank. If your savings account is with a major bank, just find it on the list. If you don't see your bank, you can use the search bar at the top. After choosing your bank, Cash App will ask you to log in. This is secure and it lets Cash App confirm your account. Enter your bank's username and password. Then, choose the savings account you want to link. Make sure to pick the right one if you have more than one account with that bank. After selecting the savings account, Cash App will confirm the link. You may also receive a confirmation from your bank. That means the process is working correctly. Once it's linked, your savings account will now appear under Linked Banks in your Cash App settings. You can now use it to move money in and out of your Cash App balance. That's it. You've successfully added a savings account to Cash App. If you ever want to remove it or change it, just return to the same Linked Banks section and follow the prompts.